Get in, loser, we're going shopping.
Hi Sunnies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. Today I'm going to be doing another wig review video, and this is a company I haven't worked with yet, so I'm really excited to do this wig review. Please mind me, I'm wearing my glasses so I know like the ring light has a glare, but I do not feel like putting my contacts in right now, so y'all gotta bear with me. I'm not super glam today, but still cute, but yeah, it's gonna be a glare. So the wig we're going to be reviewing today is from a company I've never worked with, and it's Afsisterwig on Amazon. I'm super excited to do a review on this wig because I've never worked with this company before, and it's always nice to find new companies that I like who has like really good hair. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. First, I want to talk about the packaging. I give it a 7 out of 10. I did see someone have a bow on theirs. I did not have a bow, so maybe that's what it is. I'm a little jealous. But yeah, I really just like the fact that it's like black and chic, you know what I'm saying? Like really just straight to the point, and then it has like their logo and their name in gold, and also it's like in cursive. So I just feel like it's like really chic, you know what I'm saying? Not too much. It's like, okay, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and open it, and it slides right out. So on top we have the wig, and we're gonna see if they left any goodies. They did not, so no wig cap or anything like that. The wig does have a netting on it, so we're gonna take that off per usual. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's not super soft, and this is just me being like completely honest. It's not as soft as like I know most wigs can be, so I'm a little surprised by that, but it's not stiff though. So next, what I'm gonna do is take out this paper. So let's go ahead and look at the inside of the wig, and you want to see how it's constructed. So of course you have your clips. They have three. They have 3 up top, and then they have 1 at the bottom as well. If you look in the inside, they also have adjustable bands so that you can fix the wig to your liking, like your head size. So either it'll be like too small or too big, you're able to fix it. Also on the inside, they included this elastic. So I thought that's really nice and sweet. So this wig right here is described as a 13 by 6, but what I'm seeing is like a 13 by 1 type of situation, because it has like the T part, but you can't really like part on the side, which I'm not mad at. I think, you know, like a middle part would be cute, but I was really expecting like a 13 by 6. That way I can do like flips and all of that. So getting into the color, it did say 1B27, but this is more of like a brown. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's more of a brown than a blonde. And I don't know, I feel like it doesn't match the picture that is being used, so I feel like I'm a little misleaded. But all in all, I feel like with a good hot comb and like straightening, then I think this wig would be really cute as far as coloring. But I really did expect like black and then blonde, because that's what it said online, and that's what the picture is. So yeah, give you some room so that you can manipulate the hairline, but again, it's really pretty much only a T part. So looking at the part, it's really good as far as being pre-plugged, and it's super transparent. Like, look how you can see my nail. I'm gonna put it on my arm real quick so we can see. And so this is it on my arm. I'm trying to just show y'all how well it like blends into my skin tone or whatever. I also feel like it's really good pre-plugged as well, but you can always pluck it more if you feel like you need to do more. So next, we're gonna go ahead and smell the hair. This one doesn't have a bad smell. It just smells like typical like hair smell, if that makes sense. If you've ever gotten wigs before, then you know like that hair smell that it has. So this one has that, but it's not a horrible smell. It's just that hair smell, like that strong hair smell. So this wig right here is 12 inches. I feel like it's very true to length because it's very like I feel like it's long for a 12 inch. I expected a 12 inch. I don't know, to be like a super short like bob or whatever. I don't know why I thought that, but it's very long actually. I didn't expect it to be this long. So I would have to end up cutting it in order to like make the type of bob that I thought it was going to be. But yeah, so yeah, this is a 12-inch. They also have 10-inch and a lot of other inches for like bob styles. So this is a 12-inch, but they also have 10-inch if you want to go a little shorter, which I should have done. But yeah, it's also 180% density, not 150, but 180. And from Amazon, if you order it from Amazon, it's only $105 after taxes and everything. So you're only paying $105 for a bomb bob. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, I really think this wig is affordable because after tax, it's only $105. And y'all know Amazon is gonna be here real quick, real quick. So if you need a wig on the fly, a bob on the fly, then I highly suggest this wig. But overall, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like once I put it on and like glue it down and do the baby hairs and straighten it out, then I think it'll be a really cute style on me because I usually can rock any hairstyle, period. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you turn your post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, baby, then you'll be notified. Also, follow me on social media. And yeah, I love you guys, and I will see y'all in my next video. The coloring is very off, but we also just discovered something else about the wig that I don't particularly like, just because I feel like it wasn't like marketed as that. But like, you see how it's blonde, and I like moved it, but I didn't expect all this brown to be like in the middle, you know? Like I expected it to be like literally just the top that was ombre or whatever. Not really like the insides. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm tripping, but I don't like that. I feel like I don't like that because it wasn't like broadcast like that. Like, look how much it is. I just feel like it's so much brown. Like, it's a lot of brown. So yeah, I know the hair kind of like camouflages it, but just imagine like you twist your hair or something. I don't know. It's just so much brown. And I feel like it wasn't marketed like that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that. And then one more thing that I just feel like, I don't know if it's because of the processing of the wig, because as far as it being blonde, but like, I just feel like, I don't know if y'all can see what I see, but it's like so choppy right here. Like, it's choppy and like the hairs are so little, but right here. Now, I think after a good flat ironing and maybe like adding a little bit of product, it'll blend well, but I really hope y'all can see what I'm talking about because it's very much there. Like the hairs right here are so tiny because it's like, it looks as if some of the hair got broken off of in the dyeing process, you know, like if the hair is because y'all know, like, if the hair is in bleach too long, it'll start to, like, break off. So that's what it kind of looks like to me. And that's just me being honest. I told y'all, sponsored, not sponsored, all of that. I'm going to be honest because I'm not going to lie to y'all. Y'all my babies. Y'all my sunnies. You feel me?